Hello and welcome to my channel. Say hi to a happy day. In this channel, I would like to share tales and stories I personally picked and are my kids' favorite book stories. Let's enjoy listening while I read to you a book. What if we broke up all the big companies? If we broke up the big corporations, it would probably become easier to tell where you were in a country. Towns would become noticeably different. Banks, businesses, and stores would vary more from place to place, making local and regional character more distinctive. Imagine also that as part of these changes, we introduced a new rule under which no company could control more than 5% of a given market. There would be much more real choice on offer. Smaller businesses would mean less centralized logistics and outsourcing. This would make it easier for people to put a real face to a product or service and reduce the hours of frustration that result from being kept at arm's length by a call center or corporate website. It would also mean a more regionally balanced economy. The new kind of market economy would in one sense be less distant and more accountable. But on the other hand, regulators would need to be more vigilant to ensure that workers' rights in public health and safety were respected. The disappearance of dominant blue-chip companies would localize the world of investment. The proportion of the company locked into the shareholder model and dominated by big finance would shrink. New kinds of pension would emerge that would allow people to invest savings in their local and regional economies and in local green infrastructure so that they could benefit from the results of pension investments before retirement as well as after. Because, dollar for dollar of turnover, smaller businesses employ more people, jobs would be created. The kind of huge pay ratios that emerged in giant corporations would be impossible to maintain or justify in smaller companies, so the trend toward ever wider pay ratios would reverse, leading to more generally quality. Whether you believe the world would be better depends on whether you think there would be economies or diseconomies of scale. Opponents of the idea would argue that smaller organizations would be less efficient and less innovative. Although most evidence suggests that innovation tends to emerge from small companies, the challenge is designing regulation to keep markets open and prevent the irony of supposedly free markets creating monopolies and oligopolies. I hope you enjoyed listening to the book, What If We Break Up All the Big Companies? Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to listen to more of our favorite book stories. See you soon!